Former Rose of Tralee winner Clare Kambamettu has been confirmed as the judge of this year's Rose of Tralee. The principal clinical psychologist's engagement to former Late Late Show host and Rose of Tralee presenter Ryan Tubridy was announced earlier this summer. The news comes following Tubridy's repayment of $150,000 to RTE, which he received as part of a controversial payment deal made in 2020. The presenter was paid in 2 instalments of $75,000 by RTE through a private barter account for personal appearances for commercial sponsor Renault as part of the deal. In a statement issued on behalf of Tubridy, he said, "I made this payment through my solicitor without any discussion with RTE or with anyone acting on their behalf and without condition. I have said on various occasions that I intended making this payment and I'm happy to have been able to do so today," he added. In July 2023, at the height of the RTE payment scandal, Ms Kambamettu was first linked to Tubridy, photographed driving out the security gates of Tubridy's Dublin home. The couple's engagement news was then initially announced by a quickly deleted Instagram post from a Galway-based jewellers. O'Dawley Jewellers reveals that they helped Tubridy create a special 2.4 carat emerald cut diamond ring from more environmentally friendly lab-grown diamonds. In the post, which has since been re-uploaded, the Connemara Jewellers wish the couple every happiness in the years ahead. Ms Kambamettu currently works in the area of forensic mental health and runs her own psychology clinic in Swords. She will join 3 other judges on this year's Rose of Tralee judging panel, including Nuala Carey, RTE weather and National Lottery presenter, Aisling Murphy of Murphy's New Homes, and international fashion designer Don O'Neill. You can read more about this on the Irish Independent.